So green flag goes out and we are racing 50, the 2 litre, national bangers in this year's Bandit Memorial Final. 669 Callum Curtis comes unstuck early on in this then. 513 Shaggy has been taken in down there as well. 212 Mario gets it big time through the doors from 399 Johnny Atkin, and 51 Licorice nails Atkin in turn. So big exchanges very early on in this. And 161 Billy Smith going in on the nose of 519 Knuckles, 285 Dyer also involved there. So 51 Licorice round again and blows up at 399 Johnny. So utter chaos out there very early on in this race. 669 Curtis getting back on the move. The thumbs are all up out there so far. Tino getting spun aside in 219. So who else getting involved down there? There's quite a few getting caught up. So Gabriel gets it wrong and is done through the back wheel from nice 779 Munch. 514 Charlie Taylor puts himself to the wall all by himself. 602 Moody now lurking, so 779 Munch goes through your leader. 307 is there in the runner-up spot. Oh, Munch gets stopped by 602 Sean Cooper. And in we go, 210 Callum McKee going in on them there. And we go to Reds on the Raceway, Mr. Starr. We go to Reds on the Raceway, please. So Reds out with a fire. So away we go once again. Munch has decided that the car is doing enough work now. So it's 307 Kent who now leads the field. So Kent goes in with a hit on Horton, gets done by Lump in 388, and he's been taken around. So who's it going to be? 898 Andy Battle is now the leader, Mr. Starter. So all of these three that are coming through are a lap down. It's 898 Battle who now leads. 340 Freestone is second. 830 Stretch is third. That's how they go on. Battle's got caught up in the pile over there. So 340 West Freestone now goes to the head of the race. 548 Magpie there with a shot on that 219 Tino down the back straight. So look, getting pulled wide, but it's 340 on. Stretch gets caught up now with 388 Lump. So through they go, 340 Freestone at the head of things, takes 227 around. 779 Munch now lurking as well. Was that 3 to go next time? It was indeed. So Munch lurking down there. 3 to go for 340 Freestone as the Magpie goes in on the back of Horton. Tino barging away through. 132 Bobbles comes around now and stops the marker tyre. It was unusual. I'm sure it wasn't what he intended either. 388 Lump sent to the wall by 340 Freestone. So Freestone it is, 830 Stretch, 898 Battle. More random attacks coming in. So 503 Maltby makes a haulix of trying to take somebody out over there as well. Bobbles is in for another go now and does meet 8:30 stretch on the nose. And it's double checkered. 340 West Freestone wins it. So Freestone wins it. Through come the rest, and 340 then. Freestone spinning them through. 219 Tino nails Wes. 388 Lump goes in. 514 Charlie Baby is in there as well. 898 Battle clears himself a path to the infield. Any more still coming around. I don't know if Damo's been over the finishing line as yet. Still coming. So we get him to the finish. I think that means we can now go to green. On the raceway we go green for the Destruction Derby. 5:48 Avery then straight in through the back wheel of 8:30 stretch. 87 Damo going in on Avery in turn. 8:42 is on the move, so is 3:49 Noddy. 7:20 Kevin Gabriel in through the back quarter there as 1:32 Bobbles goes through. We go red, Mr. Starter, we go red on the raceway. Green flags on the remaining part of today's Destruction Derby. So 349 Noddy comes in on 191 Kieran Greenway down here, 720 Gabriel in hard on that. 349 Noddy in turn. There's more down there. 514 in on the nose of Callum McKee in 210 Munch going in once again on 191. So in with a shot there on Avery. That's 101 Kieran Harmer involved down there. 306 Bell goes in on the nose. One more going in there as well at 779 Munch. So he goes in on Bell. 87 Damo in through the front wheel of 548 Avery. Greenway coming back around. Munch goes in on the back of Charlie Taylor. 720 Gabriel going in there with the shot on the Charmer. 349 Noddy now coming in on Gabriel. 93 Dylan Goodman still looking quite strong out there, it has to be said. And he avoids Munch and avoids Kenny Gabriel. 318 then. Ollie Marshall coming back around now. Oh, 779 Munch nails that 191 Greenway against the tyre. Oh, Goodman goes in with the shot on that 720 Gabriel on fire. Bails out and comes across to the centre. So, who have we got left? Smith in 549 seems to be lurking now. So what have we got left? Porter Chapman gets it. Oh my word. 318 Ollie Marshall just runs out to the wall there. Munch getting it from one of the other gladiators. So 306. Nicky Bell still on the move. 41. Looney Lee Barnes is still just about in the land of the mobile. Munch has got a smoking problem. Barnes gets a solid head on with 306. Nicky Bell. As that finished at the 41 car. And we've got a call for Reds on circuit. We have a call for Reds on circuit. And was anything else still moving at that point? So it is going to be a red and check, and it will be a win in the Destruction Derby for 306. Nicky Bell. So Bell will be the winner of the Destruction.